This is a question of October 2021. I just mentioned here, and variant 13 and question number 7. So let's start. First of all, this equation we have to express in this form. So what is technique? First part is so simple. Look in the question, I don't have tan. I have sine only. Okay. So cos is no problem. Sorry, even cos is issue with us. And tan. And all of you familiar that tan have some value. Or first of all, I can multiply this right hand side to avoid fractions. So tan x plus cos x equals to k times 2 tan x minus cos x. Second thing, what is the tan? Tan is sine over cos. So I'm writing here sine over cos. Sine over cos. This cos keep as it is. Again, same story. Here, this tan sine over cos. Okay, students. All right. What is LCM here and what is LCM here? Very clear. Cos LCM on both ends. Cos LCM on left side and cos LCM on right side. All right. And you know it very well when you have a 3 by 2 plus 5. So 2 is LCM. If this 2 matches, they match. So 3 copy, but this 2 multiply with a 5. So this is 2 times 2, 5. Same story we have to apply here. This cos same. So the upper sign just copy paste. But this cos and cos multiply become cos square. Same story here. This is matching. So upper value copy paste like this. Cos time to cos will give us cos square x. Afterwards, you know it very well. This sign, this cos and cos cancel. How come? If this cos goes there, then cos will cancel out. I believe this is not a hard job for us to understand. After this, sin x I have plus cos square I have. But because I need sine and sine square. And you know one formula is very important. You know it. Sine square plus cos square is equals to 1. And if I make cos square subject, so this sine square will go there. It means cos square equals to 1 minus sine square. So I think this point is clear. I'm replacing here 1 minus sine square in the place of this. Same story on the right hand side, but I will multiply k as well. K time to sine is a k sine, and k as it is, and the cos square replaced by, as usual, 1 minus sine square. Now I am going to, look, I have to make a sine square. First, how many sine square? One is here, one is here. Okay, first we have to simplify. Sin x plus 1 minus sine square x equals to k time to sine x. K multiplies inside 1 by 1. And I believe this is nothing hard, simple algebra. Now I can see here on the top, both values k and 1 are positive. But here I have a sine square is a negative. So I will bring, I bring not one term, all these 3 terms will go right side. Although I can bring this all left hand side, but it is not useful for us because if I bring this on the right hand side, left hand side, so sign will become both negative. But here I need both positive. So all these 3 values will go right side. So let's start. So I believe you're understanding what I'm saying. Okay, wait a minute. Drag a little back. Okay, now I'm starting from here. So I'm writing k sine square x. I copied from here. Now this will go there and become plus sine square. Actually, first I deal with the squares term, and now I'll deal sine. Okay, so plus k sine x, I'm copying. This one I copied. This will go there, will become negative sine x. Okay, after this minus k I'm copying, all right? And this one will go there and minus 1. Now from these 2 terms are very visible, very clear. I can take sine square common out. Okay, and from here, what is common? Sine common. So k left and minus 1 from left from here. So I believe all of you understanding. Look, up till here, it's matching. What about this? He took negative common from both. So take the negative common. I get it. I take negative common from here. So k plus 1 equals to 0 here or there. So no problem at all. So this is proved. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. First part is proved. Let's go for second part. Now, second part is very interesting. Before I start, I want to show a comparison. Okay, first, this comparison is very important. If you don't know this comparison, you can't solve a question. So have a look here. Have a look here. So actually, this value I'm copying here and copy from here, and I'm pasting here. This is a very important to paste and check you working, check your concept. So look here. If I compare this with this, so check it here. Tan plus cos match, tan minus cos match, k4. It means k value is equals to 4. So if I want to solve this equation, because this equation is converted to this one. So in short story, this equation and this equation, same only, shape changed, shape changed. So if I have a 4 here, for example, and so I can replace every k by 4. You can ask me from where was 4, sir? Because if you compare them, k become 4. And now I'm going to replace 4 everywhere. So let's start. Let's start. So I'm going to compare everywhere 4. So I'm putting everywhere 4. So let's start. So this equation I'm taking from here, copy from here, and this I am pasting here, and I'm saying here, if you compare and say put k value is equal to 4. So when I replace 4, so 4 is going where? 4 is going here. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5. So 5 sine square. And 4 comes here. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 sine x. 4 comes here. I get a minus 5. Here I have I can apply two techniques here. Now I can go for factorization, or I can go for quadratic formula. And sine x is equal to, what is a value, students? A value is, okay, a value is this 5, okay, and b value is this is 3, all right, and c value is this minus 5. Although I can go for factorization, 5 5s are 25, and I don't think so. So I can apply this formula. So, so this is clear for A and C. Okay, by 2A. And I just as a teacher, you have to show minimum this working. And when you show, I mean, this step is compulsory. And onwards, if you type in the inside a root, what I get, let me check. It's come 109 over 10. Now I can write direct answers. Okay, students, so sine x equals to, and sine x is equals to. So 1 minute, let me check again. 25 into 4, correct. Okay, now uh, minus 3 plus root of 109 divided by 10. And my one answer I'm getting here is 0.744. And second answer, I just check it, and with a negative sign, and I'm getting here negative 1.344. And you know, students, when you have a sine curve or cos curve, it always stay in the boundary limitation of +1 and -1. And this is out of range. This is not inside. So simply I will say no solution, because when above comes or below comes, no solution. Simple say no solution. Okay. And here I can go for it because sign is positive, is here and here. Okay. Now, first of all, I say this alpha, I mean principal angle, and sine inverse 0.744. Okay. Then I get what here? Wait a minute. Okay.
48.1.
All right. So when I type sine inverse 0.744, I get 48.1 degree. So this is angle. I get it. Oh, sorry for that. I get is here 48.1 and 48.1. So first answer I get it is this, and second answer is this. So sorry for that. 48.1 and 180 minus 48.1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I believe that your point is very clear now and you have a no confusion at all. This is my final answers which I got it. And the question is completely over.